Master the art of coffee shortbread cookies, easy and delightful recipe. Hey, foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful treat in store for you. We're going to show you how to make mouthwatering coffee shortbread cookies. These cookies are perfect for coffee lovers and will satisfy your sweet cravings. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, softened. 1/2 cup powdered sugar. 1 tablespoon instant coffee granules. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper or silicone baking mat. In a small bowl, dissolve the instant coffee granules in 1 tablespoon of hot water. Stir until the coffee is fully dissolved and set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and powdered sugar until light and fluffy. Add the dissolved coffee mixture and vanilla extract to the butter mixture. Mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour and salt. Gradually add the flour mixture to the butter mixture, mixing well after each addition. The dough will be crumbly but should hold together when pressed. Transfer the dough onto a lightly floured surface and gently knead it a few times to bring it together. Shape the dough into a disc and wrap it in plastic wrap. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the dough to firm up. Once chilled, roll out the dough on a floured surface to a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Use a cookie cutter of your choice to cut out shapes from the dough. Place the cut-out cookies onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving a little space between them. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. The centers may still be slightly soft, but they will firm up as they cool. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Optional: if desired, you can drizzle melted chocolate or sprinkle powdered sugar over the cooled cookies for added decoration. And there you have it, folks, our scrumptious coffee shortbread cookies. They are buttery, crumbly, and infused with the rich flavor of coffee. These cookies are the perfect accompaniment to a hot cup of your favorite brew. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy baking! Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.